Right, so we're here today to service a Baxi Platinum, one of the best boilers ever made in my opinion. I'm going to show you how to put it into service mode and show you a few pictures of us cleaning it out. Right, so we're here today to do a service on a Baxi Platinum, so I'm just going to take this burner out in a few minutes. So what we can do there is, if we want to check this, just remove that, and then we can get in nice and easy into there. But you need one of these if you can. Put the Baxi Duo Tec or Platinum into service mode. So first of all, turn your hot water to there, and then just go like that. I'll go into service mode. So that's now on high because that's there for the heating. To turn that to low, we just turn that to there. So that's in service mode and it's on low. So you can check your low gas. And to put it back into high, you just turn it to there. So we've got Kane 455 to do his fuel gas analyzer test, and we're looking for his minimum rate. We're looking for 8.4% plus or minus 0.2, and on his high we're looking for 8.7 plus or minus 0.2 as well. And what we've got is, right, low we've got 8.3 and high we've got 8.7. So 8.7, so 8.7 for high is perfect, and 8.3 is just 0.1% below, so again that's fine. And if you did need to set it up, you can just, there's instructions there on page 49 on how to adjust the gas valve. If you would like a new Baxi Platinum installing in the Leeds area, then please give CCH Leeds a call on 07725 6926 99. That's 07725 692699. We can also fit you any other boiler required. Thanks for watching.